What's up, crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin failed to break above the $31,400 yearly high a few days ago. Of course, right over here in the live stream, we were talking about that shorting opportunity. I know a lot of people are in a short position, especially in the legends trading community, still holding some of that short position, of course, just in case. What if this is a huge, massive double top scenario and we're going to trade all the way down to $20,000 and even lower in the next coming months, right? It would be nice to have still some of that epic short position that was provided here on a live stream. However, we are looking for day trade scenarios as well. We're looking at the possible scenarios in this episode to see what could happen, guys, because yes, it is true that this could be a huge, massive double top, despite that I am bullish, despite that the trend is to the upside and we have aggressive higher lows and very strong support levels where the price could have a huge bounce. And this is what we're going to mention in today's episode, guys, so we are ready for our next swing trade scenario. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Before we dive in here straight into the chart, guys, because I am long-term bullish still, mid-long-term bullish. Short-term, yes, we could see a little bit of turbulence because we have created this double top scenario, right? We failed to break above $31,400. Like we talked about, okay, this is a good shorting level potentially with good risk management. Not managing to break above 31,400, we jump into the short position. We could leave some of that short position open, guys, and protected, and you're riding a free short position at the moment, just in case the price does drop to 25 or even 20K, right, in the next coming weeks. It's definitely a possibility. Should have taken some of those profits, but we are going to talk about what are the possible scenarios in this episode, the strongest support levels that we need to pay attention, right, for our trading decisions. I can be bullish mid-term, but I can be shorting the market and having some of the position open, okay? So stay cautious on what you hear on YouTube because when we are trading, we could be doing the complete opposite, okay, guys? Now let's dive in here. But first, I want to let you know that on Bitflex, of course, you might know from now, you get an Apple Watch if you sign up, okay, with the link in the description. It's a giveaway that they are doing, okay? Just by signing up, they're not going to give you an Apple Watch. If you sign up with the link down below in the description, okay, you only deposit $100 and place one trade. You enter the Apple Watch giveaway. It's the Series 8. It's the latest one. And you get $10 worth of bonus. Bitflex right now is the exchange that I'm looking for my swing trades, all right, for the last couple of days. For my day trades, of course, those scalping scenarios, I am using Bybit. Bybit is, for me, the number one. I am doing scalping, day trading, okay? I got in this little scalp position, adding to the position, all right? They're just a few $100 because it's only scalping. For those swing trades, you want to get into those big positions. So I'm looking here with Bitflex for those possible long or short setups for swing trading, using Bybit for scalping and for day trading, all right? Check out the links on both of the exchanges. You get an insane bonus, all right? You got the Bitflex tutorial down below. Now, if you want those day trading and scalping setups, you want to join the Legends trading community. The long setup that I've been talking about, where I've been adding to the position, taking profits, adding, protecting, okay, is this one right over here just a few hours ago. Hey, we failed to break out this low. We're looking for a trace. We're looking for a potential bounce to maybe hit round about the 30,400. We only reached 30,300 range, where I did say, hey, we are hitting the point of control of the range. Would be nice to take some profits, okay, at this level. Take profit one. The reason why, well, I can show you right away. Basically, it is hitting that point of control, okay, from the range, okay, right over here. As you can see, with this current price action for the last couple of hours, the point of control is right now here, but it was all the way up here where we do have this high volume node. With the current price action, we've created this spike in volume, creating the point of control slightly lower. So we've got that rejection from that zone, which was a take profits level from this long position that was provided, okay, in the Legends trading community. We are looking for higher. I am looking for higher personally. I think that there could be a liquidity grab above these highs. It's definitely a possibility, but this is why we protect position. We take profit. Whether it happens at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. We need to be very defensive. Good risk management is what is going to make you successful as a trader, not technical analysis, not these crazy predictions that we talk about. Hey, Bitcoin to $40,000. That will not make you a good trader. Of course, it is risk management, protecting positions, taking profit, knowing exactly when to enter and how to execute that trade scenario. Now, said this, let's go dive in straight here into the technical analysis, the pure technical analysis to understand where we are right now, okay? Because yes, some people are bearish, some people are extremely bullish like me, right? This crazy guy on YouTube is bullish, so it looks like that we're going to drop. Well, no, it's not always like that, of course, but we do understand that this has created a double top scenario, okay? Double top scenario, you can see it on the chart. So yeah, you could say, hey, this doesn't look great. This looks like that the bulls have lost steam. We've been going up right now for the last few months, and look at this. We failed to break out the resistance. Yes, of course, no doubt. This is why you should be in a short position from 31,400. It was mentioned on YouTube just a few days ago, shorting right there at the $31,400. Who remembers that stream? Who is holding still some of that short position? But let's dive in here. Let's talk about, hey, we are holding right now in the short term, okay? First of all, let's talk about the highest support levels on the higher time frame. Now, swing trading is a bit boring because you just get into the trade and you just leave that trade protected. You take some profits. We are also day trading and we're scalping here, of course, like I showed you in the Legends trading community. We're looking at some setups. I am mentoring here some people on how we can protect position, taking profit, because those swing trades are absolutely boring. Swing trading, yeah. Win the short position. What do I need to wait for a few weeks to see if I'm going to go and take some profits all the way down here? I might get stopped out from that swing trade. So I'm waiting. You know, I'm taking some profits, but we want to do that scalping, right? In those day trades also, okay? At least, you know, one trade a day, you know, might give you some pretty nice gains at the end of the month. So if you know the deal. If you want to join Legends trading community, down below in the description, you have the link to join the Legends community. This information is provided every single day. Whether you take the decision or not, it is up to you, okay? People think that just by joining the community, they're going to start making lots of gains. No, we provide information. You take those decisions. The decisions are there. I'm showing you what I am looking for, what I am doing. You know, at the end of the day, you pull the trigger. So anyway, diving here straight away on the price of Bitcoin. We understand that, yes, we are failing to break out the yearly highs from April at $31,000. We've hit $31,500. Yes, fantastic, but it's failing to break out. So the most of the people are going to see this as a huge double top scenario. It's failing. We are going to correct down to 25k, or you know, or even go lower. It's definitely a possibility, guys. It's a double top. There's a lot of eyes right now in this double top. On the other scenario, of course, we do have the possibility of the price correcting after this major consolidation. What are the strongest support levels? There is one at 28,800, 900 range. It's a naked point of control from the consolidation that we had here. We talked about this many times, all right? I'll go through it again for the new subscribers. It's this range over here from the 21st of June. We have a nice naked point of control, high volume node that hasn't been tapped. We have some great Fibonacci levels from the clearest pivot lows that we do have from this pump. The ultimate low level at 24.8k. We have the 382 exactly at 28,900 range. From this pivot low, all right, from this corrective move to the high, we have the 50% exactly also at 28,900. Big nice consolidation level where we could get a reaction and a bounce. All of this doesn't mean that we are going to get the bounce, okay? This means that it's a strong level and we could react to the level. We react, we are good traders, we get in with good risk management. This could get an epic bounce, okay? And we could get into some long positions. Till we do not hit those levels, not interested in putting limit orders. I want to see the reaction of the price action. Very important. People do not understand this. People want limit orders and then go away and then come back and make, you know, a killing and gains. No, you need to be, you know, paying attention to what's happening on the charts. this level is lost. If this level is lost, we got a huge level, which is the monthly level, untapped monthly level, $27,200. This monthly level is slightly below the 618 Fibonacci. It is round about that range, 61865, okay? Right there is a monthly level, $27,200 range. Huge level if this level were to be lost, guys. If 28,800 range is lost, okay, we do not get a major consolidation, my next level of interest would be that $27,200. Not interested in long, and if we're losing the range, we could be getting into some short scalps because the drop could be pretty aggressive. Remember, we are traders, we're not predictors. We're not only holding Bitcoin in our portfolio. I don't care about my portfolio. I'm looking for day trading setups, okay? So the predictions on the mid-high time frames, it doesn't really matter. We are traders. We're trading the market, guys. We're making gains. So, like I said, analyzing the situation here, biggest support levels, if the price were to correct in the coming days because of this double top scenario. Remember, yes, you should be in that short position. Should be in that short position from 31,400. Taking some profits, protecting position, you're running a free trade. But where are the interesting zones for the long, for the swing trades? It's here, 28,800 and that monthly level, 27,200. Why a monthly level? Well, we basically got a monthly close and open, guys. You need to go straight to the point here. It's the monthly close and open that we had in May and June, untapped, very strong level, hitting the 618 also from the pivot low to the pivot high, guys. This level could be huge. We could get a consolidation and get a massive bounce. Now, if we zoom out here again, here on the 4 hourly time frame, that monthly level, okay, if we were to drop here in the next coming days, we have a really nice support trend line here, higher low support trend line here, as you can see on the chart, looking pretty decent. We're just going to zoom out here a little bit and get, this level connected. This support trend line could be, all right, in the next coming weeks, round about that monthly 618 zone. So if we were to get those aggressive drops in the coming days, all right, there is a possibility that, that monthly zone and the higher low support trend line will be holding here to get that massive bounce. It's at the 618 Fibonacci from this pivot low, and we've got a monthly level, okay? So this could be the opportunity, guys. Could be that massive opportunity provided here on the video update on YouTube, okay? Now, let's go and zoom in on the chart and explain, hey, what happens if we do not drop from the value area low of this trading range that we created for the last few weeks, guys? We are holding as support in the Legends trading community. We are looking for some scalp long positions. We could take advantage because this scalp long could turn into a day trade. It could turn into a swing trade, all right? And we might pump, $600-700, and you're longing the lows right over here. We are inside a big, massive range, getting supported from the value area low, guys. This does not mean that we're going to break down. This is not a shorting level. You should be shorting from here. This range, yeah, we're looking for long positions, baby, in the Legends trading community. Despite we do drop or not, we are having very good risk management. We're looking for possible long scenarios, okay? Whether the price goes up, down, or in circles, we want to be very good and selective with our trading setups. So, like I said, value area low is holding here very nicely. Very nicely, value area low. Point of control from the range right now is being formed because of this price action all the way down here. It used to be all the way up here. Now it's here, currently above the range. So no doubt that there's a support, okay? There is a chance here that if we do lose the value area low, yes, we could be looking for longs if it is going to be a big fake out recovery, guys. This kind of price action, I can tell you already, this is going to be an epic long position. It will be a fake out. You'll be failing. You're just getting liquidity and you're going to get a move to the upside. We'll be waiting patiently to see what happens in the Legends trading community, of course, from that move. On the other side, we move down. We start breaking here pretty aggressively, the value area low, and closing some epic candles, okay, 1 hourly, 4 hourly, well beneath the value area low. I can tell you already that if the volume is high, we are coming down to that $29,000 range and slightly below before we get any kind of support, okay? There is no volume in between 29K and 30K. There's no volume. This is why the price action is holding here. We're getting wicks. The bulls don't want this level to be lost. They don't want it. You can see it on the price action. They are holding the value area low. They do not want to lose $30,000. This is why this range, if you know how to do it and be defensive, you can get into epic long positions, because we could go all the way up to the value area high of the range. It's very much possible. So just being defensive, right? Stop loss at break even if you are in profit decently, all right? If you get moved down and you stopped out at break even, you analyze the situation, you get exhaustion, you re-enter that long. Right over here, we are holding the support, guys, of the value area low. The bulls want to hold this level because the bulls know that if the bears manage to break down here with some significant volume and close those candles beneath the value area low, you can forget a fake out from this low and this low. It's not going to happen. It's unlikely to happen. We will likely have a drop all the way down to our first big major support zone, which is that $28,900 range, 29K zone, okay? Look at the price action, how fast it moves up here. It can come as fast down. This is why it is extremely important for the bulls to hold this range. If you are long in this zone, you should be longing around about the 30K level, 30,500. You're not going to long here because you could roll down, then you're going to lose money. You need to know exactly where to enter, like we do provide here in the Legends Trading community. We also have Sam as a coach, he's providing insane information and trading setups. He provided a setup here on Solana that a lot of the people managed to get into the short, okay, on Solana. Because of a failed auction, because of fake out, all right? Absolutely phenomenal. Great information, guys, if you want to join. Guys, I want to let you know that on Bitcoinsensus, on Crypto Jobs, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description. We are growing, okay? We're looking for website content manager and also content creator and a YouTuber, guys. If you're interested to be a YouTuber, crypto YouTuber, despite news, technical analysis, all right, whatever, providing information to the people, you want to apply, okay, for this potential job, all right? Website content manager and content creator on YouTube. The links will be down below in the description, okay, directly, so you can fill in the form for this application. You can see it here in Crypto Jobs, you know, there's Kraken, there's Binance. We are currently looking for some people, all right, on Bitcoinsensus. You know, there's KuCoin. There's a lot of, you know, different, you know, exchanges and businesses that are, you know, actually have some jobs for a lot of people. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description if you are interested in any of these two, guys, so you can form the application. Now, not much more to be said, guys. Yes, you should be in a short position from this high, and you should be getting into some longs, being defensive at these lows. Why? Because it's the value area low, guys, of the entire range. We have been getting supported here. Reason why this is a strong support zone, guys, let me quickly explain right over here. Value area range. We have the pivot low that we did create on the 7th to the pivot high. Bang. We have 618 and value area low. This is where we're getting this choppy action, okay? And this is a long position that we were talking about. $30,000, $30,050. Jump into a long. We could be aiming for these highs. Looks like that we want to do that now in the next coming hours. Let's see if it happens. The take profit one was already hit, which was that value area range, okay, point of control, and the 618, okay. When we do take a look at the 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see here, value of the range, we want that high volume node that was here right now. We created it with, there's a higher one right now because of this price action. Pivot high to the pivot low, 618, point of control. We're currently moving higher. I think there could be a massive liquidity grab above, you know, the value area high and these highs. You know, it's just a classic level to claim that liquidity. What we created here is very likely an A, B, C kind of structure. We're looking for shorts all the way up here, not going to lie, okay? But let's see what kind of price action is created. Guys, thank you very much for joining, and I will see you in the next one.